reluctantly crouched at the starting line. Engines pumping and thumping in time. The green light flashes, the flags go up. Churning and burning, they yearn for the cup. They deftly maneuver and muscle for rank. Fuel burning fast on an empty tank. Reckless and wild, they pour through the turns. Their prowess is potent and secretly stern. As they speed through the finish, the flags go down. The fans get up and they get out of town. The arena is empty, except for one man still driving and striving as fast as he can. The sun has gone down and the moon has come up. And long ago somebody
Cutest
left
boy in the
him
world.
up. But he's driving and striving and hugging the turns and thinking of someone for whom he still burns. He's going the distance. He's going full speed. She's all alone in a time of need. Because he's racing and
Blake, can you walk to mommy without holding on to that?
and riding and riding on his horse. He's going the distance.
Where's Daddy's nose?
That's your nose.
That's your nose.
Can you get Daddy's nose?
That's your nose.
Can you get Daddy's nose? Honk honk. Honk honk. Awooga!
That's your ear.
You got my ear. The ear makes a sound too. Can you get my ear? Awooga!
That's funny.
Get this ear. Honk honk. Get this ear. Awooga! He was really lucky. Part of it. Honk honk. Honk honk. Honk honk. Honk honk. Honk honk. Honk honk. Here. Get my ear. Can you get my ear? Don't you want to hear a different sound? Don't you want to hear a different sound? Get my ear. Blake? Can you get Daddy's ear? Can you get Daddy's Get Daddy's ear. Awooga! Get my nose.
Blake, where's Daddy's nose?
Where's Daddy's nose? No, that's not my nose. Nose?
That's his head.
That's my head now.
That's cute.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Blake. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye. Bye.
Bye.